Ko Nore mātana hau, he uri no mitimiti no te hokianga nui a kupe. Ngā wāhi hi ōku mai te wā o taku ohinga. He nui ōku pūkenga hi kei taku kete. Engari, ko te mātauranga nui ia, ko ngā wahanga o te marama me ngā tohu o te moana. Ko ia tēnei, ko te mahi hiika e ai ki te maramataka. He mea whai ngā mātauranga tuku iho a ngā tūpuna, e hia mano tau ki muri, ā ka tūnoa mai ki tēnei rā. He tohu mai kia mātou, ko hia hi ai, ko hia ai te mātaitai.
Tēnā koe Tangaroa.
Nō reira, tēnei te hiki tapu ai. He toha mātauranga, he whakamātau pūkenga, ka puta, ka ora. Whakapiri mai, me oku hoa ki te hi, he haerere moana, i runga i a Moontide Fishing. E whai ake nei, e aru warehenga ana māo ko Mātene kei waho o Houhora. He rereke tā Mātene mahi hopu i ngā maunu ora.
Oh, you got one, cousin. Oh, you got two.
Engari, ka tae māo te hopu warehenga.
These fish, they never give up. They fight to the end.
Oh, come on.
Do we need a bigger net?
Oh my God.
Oh,
That is so crazy, cousin.
Tangaroa-ā-mua is the last quarter of the lunar cycle. Energy is surging, and it's usually a good time for fishing. Tēnā koutou te whānau, nau mai anō ki Moontide Fishing, te mahi hika e ai ki te maramataka. I te rānei, kei te tai tokerau, kei muri whenua ahau, ā e hika ana māo ko taku karangarua a Mātene Cleave. Ko te wahanga o te maramataka i tēnei wā, ko Tangaroa-ā-mua. I whiti mai a Tangaroa-ā-mua i te Wainganui pō, ā ko tōna mata e ki te tonu ana i te rangi i te wānei. I enei wā o Tangaroa, he wā tino pai mo te hi ika, he wā pai mo te mahi moana, te mahi māra, mō ngā mea kato. Nā reira, ko te kaupapa i te rānei, ko te haere māo ko Mātene, ki te hiake i ngā tāmure, tēnā pia ngā warehenga, engari ko te kaupapa nui, ko te tiki kai mo te whānau.
e te whānau, ko ritea hau ki te hi. Kei konei a Mātene e tatiri ana ki te wāpu, ā, ka wehe māua i konei i Houhora, ka puta atu ki te moana, rapua ngā tāmure, tēnā pia ngā warehenga, engari ko te kaupapa nui, ko te tiki kai.
He wāhi hira ngā wai o waho o Houhora ki te hi, ā, he pai tonu te ata haere.
Straight up, are we going today or no?
You know what? It's not a season of Moontide fishing without at least one episode of my cousin Mātene, so he's already given me a bit of stick. As you can tell, it's going to be one of those days where the banter is just going to be non-stop. I just hope I catch the bigger one today, because I won't hear the end of it, whānau. Oh, morena, by the way, cousin. Morena. It's nice to see you too.
E kai kā ana Mātene kia puta ki te hi, engari me karakia māua i te tuatahi.
O, tikana me tuku te tahi karakia, kia pai te haere, kia pai te rā, kia pai te hi. E Tangaroa tēnei, te mihi tēnei, te karanga atu kia koe tiakina mai, māua i runga i te moana i te rānei, kia pai, kia haumaru te haere, kia pai hoki te hi, haumie, huie, tāingie.
So the plan is, right, so kai mo te tepu, kai mo te whānau.
Ha.
Right?
Ai,
So, weather's amazing.
ko Tangaroa-ā-mua tēnā.
Right. I was thinking we should go and try and get some blue cowies first. We've done it a couple of times before at this one spot's on the way to Paxton. But I mean, if we got blue cowies...
If we can get some of those, well, then we've got fresh bait, live bait options. We could send a livey down for big tāmure and catch a warehenga. So let's do that. Let's go and get our koheru. Let's carry on out to the reefs. Let's fish.
The last time we were at Paxton, you got a 24-pound snapper. Micro jigging.
24 pound, yeah. But our kaupapa is kai. We want to get kai for our whānau.
I'll tell you what I'm really excited about is actually taking all of that kai to the Pukenui pub. We'll be giving a lot of my big stuff away.
I'll be giving all just the right eating size ones away, whānau. You know, it's about taking the ones that the people really enjoy, those sweeter fish.
This is the A-team, cousin. You know we're going to slay this today, eh?
Oh, we're going to have a good day.
We're going to have a good day.
We're going to have a good day.
Kua paki pai te rā, kua marino hoki te moana I tēnei wahanga o Tangaroa-ā-mua. Ā, ko tā māua mahi tuatahi ko te hopu koheru hei maunu ora mō ngā warehenga.
Ko te mahi konei te whānau, ko tukua te punga, ka rapa ki raro, ka tahi ka tukua te maunu kōnatu-natu, burley trail out the back, try and entice some blue koheru. What do you reckon, cousin? I reckon if we do catch some, put one on a hook and just send it out while we continue to try and catch them. We just hope that they're here today. Gotta be, it's Tangaroa.
Cousin, your karakia will drag them in.
That's not your rod.
Oh, kawaii. Oh, look at that, eh, cousin?
Oh, it'd look better with my rod in my hands, but that's okay. Your one just needs a jig, cousin.
First one back to Tangaroa?
Hard. Don't high stick it. Nah. You want the net, bro?
No, all good. Now that is actually a good kaido, right?
Oh, it's beautiful eating
Ka
fish.
Hawaii ikamata.
Yeah.
First one back to Tangaroa.
All right. Well, whānau, this will certainly bring the fish in. You can see a bit of splashing over there, must be kahoi on the surface. But once this burley's running, it's just going to attract everything from around here, probably bring some tāmure in. There's heaps of them. The whānau, literally, what, 30 seconds in the water? And now we've got a whole lot of blue koheru here. So we're just going to drop a couple of jigs, see if we can get a few in the boat. Keep some for liveys, keep some for dead bait, for when we have our burley session for snapper, tāmure later.
Geez, I'm not really liking that colour. Yeah, not liking that bloody jig, cousin.
Ka hore ngā koheru e mau ana mā te matau, engari, he rautaki hou tā Mātene.
What we've done before is we've shaked the burley bag, get them really fired up, put the net just under them and pull it up. But we'll see how it goes.
Oh, you got one, cousin. Oh, you got two. Now they won't come near the net. Saw their mates getting taken away and they're like, oh, nah, we're not doing this.
Do you want me to do it, cousin?
Oh, here, this is Houhora. You do it.
Ah, cheerbait.
Oh, cheerbait. Too good, cousin. Too good.
Ka hore anō hau kia hopu I tētahi, engari e manako nui te ana.
Yeah, we're on, whānau. We're on. Finally, hooked one. Just try and get it to the boat. Oh, it's just come off. Oh,
But the bait's working, eh, cousin?
yeah, yeah. Too good, cousin. Too good. Over there. You got that on the
It's a little
sabiki.
trev.
Oh, nice.
We've caught some good warehenga on trevs, cousin.
Good.
So what do you reckon, bro?
Yeah, well, that's legal, so we'll keep that one. But I think that's us, eh? We'll make the move. So what we're going to do from here, whānau, we're going to head out to the reefs, fishing in around sort of 30-odd metres, dropping soft baits, maybe slow pitch jigging, maybe even dropping a kingi jig.
Well, we've got the first thing out of the way, blue koheru and a trev.
That's us.
So that's just our step-by-step, cousin. We're on.
E whai ake nei, hei ka nonohi, hei ka muramura,
I'm not going to cheat that.
engari, kei heanga I ka nui.
Go and find your mummy and your daddy for us.
Tangaroa-ā-mua rises 7 days after Rākaunui, the full moon. It is a time of surging energy and usually a good day for fishing. Kei waho o Houhora māua ko Mātene e hi ana I tēnei rā a tāhua. Nā ngā pukenga Mātene, ko hopu maunu ora, hei kai mā ngā warehenga.
Oh, you got one, cousin. Oh, you got two.
Engari, ko te mahi i ae nei, ko te hi tāmure.
Oi te whānau, ko tai mai ki tēnei wāhi. Oh, I nā hoki te marino o te moana nei. I can't believe how calm the water is right now. It's clear. We're in that Tangaroa phase of Tangaroa-ā-mua, which in our kōrero tukuiho talks about these phases being a time where you quite often get settled weather patterns. So we've pulled up here, but we're going to drop some soft baits, drop some jigs, some micro jigs, and just see if there's anything around, eh, Cuzzy?
All day, bro.
Well, whānau, hopefully that's going to catch us a nice tāmure down here. There could be warehenga around. I'm just using a little clip-on system so that I can quickly interchange them. Never really done it like this before, but I think it'll work, so we'll give it a crack. Which way's the drift, cousin? Is there any?
I don't think there is. These are apparently a slow pitch that you can kind of, you know, just bounce up and down, 2 hooks. But I've actually done really, really well on these. Good luck, everybody.
Oh, you're on, cousin. Literally got to the bottom. Oh, that's a good fish, cousin. Don't lose it.
How crazy is that? There is no sign on the sounder.
Oh, what do you reckon, snapper? Warehenga?
No, feels like a tummy there, bro.
Hey, cousin.
Oh,
Did you just drop it, cousin? What happened? Oh, so it literally just dropped.
just dropped.
Oh, no, cousin.
Holy.
Oh, that's it. That's it. You're funny, cousin.
Ka hore anō ngā ika kia ngau I te maunu kirihau, nā reira, kua tukuna e au te maunu mētara kia taka tōtika ki raro ki ngā wai hohonu. Engari, nā Mātene anō te whakamau.
There you go. Keep the faith, cousin. Keep the faith.
I've got the faith.
Those edge jigs are absolutely hammering it.
They are, right?
Big one?
Look at that, that's a keeper. No. Well, that's our first time with it.
Yeah. Man, I wonder how big that first one was. Haha, too good, cousin. Well done.
Oh, shivers. Oh, it's a kingy.
Oh, true, cousin.
Yeah.
That's all right, cuzzy. Oh, weh.
That.
We've got the warehenga, just not the size.
We got the warehenga. I bet you that tastes beautiful, though. Fortunately, we're not going to get the opportunity. 75 centimetres, right?
Yeah, that's all right.
Well, there's obviously fish there.
They're there.
We'll have to give it another go. Go and find your mummy and your daddy for us. Did you have a bite, bro?
I thought I did.
Yeah, bite normally feels like when the tip bounces, cousin.
All right.
Meinga e Mātene, te whakatoi hoki. Hea tāhua te rā I tēnei wahanga o Tangaroa-ā-mua, engari ko pōturi haere te ngau anga ika. Ka ngau a te ika, engari e harapea I te tāmure.
I'm just not too sure if it's a John Dory or actually a perch, is it? Or
Granddaddy Hāpuka.
Hāpuka. This is not the target species. Apparently they're quite nice eating though. Hey, are they?
They are. They're good. I've eaten them. But the spine sting, I've accidentally put my finger on one.
Well, I'm not going to keep that.
It only stings for a little while. Yep, they need a bit of knocks. Cuzzy Mātene's had a couple of hookups so far. one monster, I think it was. Unfortunately, it didn't make it to the boat. So we have yet to put a tāmure in our bin to take home to our whānau who are waiting for fish, relying on us today. Perhaps this could be our first legal tāmure, a contribution to the koha kai.
Kia ora.
Just being cheeky whānau.
Oh, nice one, cousin.
That, to me, is a beautiful sized tāmure that will go in the bin, we'll feed some whānau. Look at that.
That is a nice eater, cousin.
Too good.
Kua hopu te tāmure tuatahi e āhei ana te kai. E hara i te ika rarahi, engari e pai ana, e runga hau i te poari. Ko te tūmanako ia, ka tae mai ētahi atu.
Somewhere out there.
Come on.
Well, there's fish here, just not sure how big they are. Hasn't picked up and run yet.
Tell me that it's gonna be fine. Every day full of hope, and I'm looking out for you. I keep searching and you cannot be far.
Kua pōturi haere te ngauanga tāmure, nā reira ko te nuku māua ki tauranga kē ki te aru warehenga.
Oh, well, let's go, because we're in this surging energy phase of Tangaroa-ā-mua, and we're starting to decline because we're not catching, so I think we need to move whānau.
Te whai ake nei, ka ua te mahi,
Oh, I think it's angled, bro. Out, stand by.
ka hopu warehenga a Mātene,
Yeah, boy.
engari, ka tae anōtia e au.
Come on. Hopefully he's well hooked.
Tangaroa-ā-mua rises 7 days after Rākaunui, the full moon, a time of surging energy and usually a good day for fishing. I ēnei wā o Tangaroa, he wā pai mo te hi, engari kua he pētā māua whakatau i ngā wāhihi tāmure. E huri ana te aro ki ngā warehenga, ā ko te tūmanako mā te timunga o te tai, ka whai hua.
So, whānau, when you're live baiting, there's several different ways you can do it. You can have a free-running sinker which runs along your main line. But this system here, which one of our mates, Adam Davies, showed us is basically you create a loop here and it allows your sinker just to run the smaller area and it keeps it closer to your bait. So it'll drop down and it'll be in close proximity to where your live bait is. Find it works pretty well. It's done us pretty well so far. That's what we're going to try today with the blue kohiru. Using a circle hook today, and what that does is it eliminates fish being swallowed by a smaller warehenga, and we don't want to be damaging fish, so anything we do catch we want to try and get it in the corner of the mouth, which little circle hooks like this can help do. This is like a little long line hook, so that should work.
I aia nei nā, ko te tuku maunu ora, ā, ka tōtō mai ki muri i te poti. Ko te tūmanako ia, ka kāinga e te warehenga.
May as well.
Straight through there. Oh. Just on a bit of an angle so it can run. Oh, that looks like good sign too. Oh.
Oh, he's off. So I'm going to hook mine up slightly different and put him through the nose. That will hopefully work. Out you go.
Kua tuku nā ngā kōheru, ā, e pai ana ngā tohu i konei.
Already we're seeing a lot of bait fish here. I can see some arara on the surface there. There's a few birds. So there's good signs here. Hey, cousin, all we need to do now is try and find the warehenga.
Lots of life here. We haven't been... It's supposed to be a lot easier than this. But hey, we've done it here before, cousin, have we not?
Oh, always. Oh. Yuck. Oh. I think that was a snapper, bro.
Well, good one, Nore.
Oh, whānau, something come and had a hit. I'm pretty sure it was a tāmure, not a warehenga. It's taking my bait. Running out of bait.
Aha tia ngā tohu pai o Tangaroa-ā-mua, ka hore anō māua kia whaihua. E heke ana te whakapono, me nā rānei ka whakaki te kete hei kai mā te whānau.
You're on, you're on. Get him, cousin, get him, cousin. Oh. Come on, cousin.
Go forward on
go.
that boat, bro.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll drive us, cousin. Get us out to some
Yeah,
depths.
keep it stay at that speed, bro.
Yeah, yeah, yep, yep. You got him, cuzzy?
Yeah.
We're on.
Into the bricks, bro.
Oh, come on, Marty. You got this, cousin. Yeah, no, you got him, bro. You got him. You got him. You're under control. Yeah, we're good now, cuzzy. 20 metres. I'm just going to button off a little bit.
No, keep going, bro, at
Oh,
that
come
speed.
on, Marty. Stop panicking, mate. You want me to drive us all the way out to the 200 metre mark? Come on, cousin. Oh, yeah, no, we're out in some good depths now, cuzzy. You shouldn't bugger this up now.
Woo! Yeah. Oh, come on, man.
Ah, let's go, cousin. This is what we've been waiting for, bro.
Come on.
Come on, cousin.
God, they just frickin' whacked it, bro. Woo!
All right, I'm going to button off. We're in 26 metres now. All right, cousins. Should be starting to see some colour soon. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah, boy.
Kingy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Nice, cousin. Nice.
I thought it might have been a bit bigger than that.
Hey, hey, hey. It's a warehenga, cousin. Yeah, boy.
I made that look a lot bigger than that.
Come on, cousin. Really big.
Oh,
Ai marika, ko huri te tai.
almost starting to lose the faith.
Never,
Never give up.
Never, cousin. What is it? Oh, something's... Yeah, we're on. We're on.
Oh. Oh, do you want me to go forward, no?
I think we're tangled. You on, cuzzy?
I think so, bro.
Oh, I think you're tangled, bro. Out, stand by.
I think we've got
he's
the same one. I think we've got one each.
We got a bit of a cluster.
Oh, how close is that, bro?
Oh, oh. Oh, just...
You there, bro? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I've got that one. Get that in the boat and I'll just quickly try and untangle. Stand by, whānau. This is working as a team here now.
Oh, I think I might have lost it, actually, cousin.
That's all right. I got mine in. Nah, you're still on, eh? You still on?
Yep. Oh,
Hara mai, ko hopu warehenga hau. Engari, hara tēnā I te mutunga.
On.
Oh, do you want me to go forward, cousin?
I think so. Thing with these fish, they never give up. They fight to the end. Like right there. Oh, come on. Oh. What's our depth, cousin? We haven't 20 yet?
25.
Oh, yeah. I think we're
We're
okay
good?
then. Yeah.
You got colour there, cousin?
Yeah, we got colour. Yeah. Hopefully he's well hooked. Doesn't come off at the boat. Quite often when they see the boat, they'll have another whack. Like that. Oh, those tail beats, eh? Love it. Tell you what, he's a nice fish.
He's a nice fish, cousin.
How well hooked is he?
Oh,
That hook's right in the lip, so it might come off. Do we need a bigger net? You want a bigger arm? Yeah!
oh my God.
Oh,
That is so crazy, cousin.
that's a much better fish, whānau, I'll tell you what. Oh, beautiful fish, whānau. This is a beautiful fish. And now we've got 3 warehenga. We've got enough kai. Maybe we should just go home now.
Yeah, sounds good to me, cousin. We've done it.
We've done it. We've done it. So it's been an amazing day. Tangaroa-ā-mua, Tangaroa has provided. We get to go home with warehenga. Too good. Always a pleasure hanging out with my cuzzy. Bit of banter, bit of fun. Catching fish like this. Nore te whānau, kaue ware me hoki mai anō koutou ki Moontide Fishing, te mahi hika, e ai ki te maramataka.
Yeah, no, I'll smoke him. I'll do that tomorrow.
I te tae ngā tu ki uta, ka toha atu ngā ika, e hari ana ngā whaia.
Thanks, bro.
Whānau, don't forget to like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.